how to make slime. Let's get started. I have my glue in there. I'm going to add some glitter. Which color? Purple. It's glitter glue, but next, I'm going to add some baking soda. And then I'm going to stir it up. I like doing this during class. Okay. Now let's stir it all together and make sure purple gets in there. Ooh. Next, I'm going to use some contact lens solution. Stir. Okay. Let's touch. Hold on. I don't want to touch it yet. Thank you guys. Next I'm going to be doing slime pet peeves.